consideration for funding would depend on the number of national teams, the number of competitions that you participate in. To be honest with you, if we were ranking these different federations in terms of what they have delivered, football will not be even number one. What are the factors we are looking at? How many teams are you running? When we go to football, you have the under 17, you have the under 20, you have the under 23, you have the senior team, you have the ladies team in different categories. Now there are these federations that receive funding from their international bodies. They were able to establish an address. Specifically, I know football receives more funding compared to others. But what did they do? They had to lobby. They had to advocate to the extent that even the resources they receive from the public coffers is ring-fenced.